creamy and full of flavor? Well, that is me every night, so I came up with this healthy fruit and nut cereal bowl. And let me tell you guys, the reason why I call this a cereal bowl is because it's so crunchy and full of textures. And you can eat this every night without even feeling guilty because it's mainly just made out of fruit. So without further ado, you guys, let's get started. Start off this delectable cereal bowl with some nice juicy sweet tart apples. When picking your apples out at the store, always go for the smaller size fruit, which is always going to have the best flavor. Go ahead and chop them up into little bite-sized pieces. You don't want any big chunks here. We're making a cereal today and not a fruit salad. Place everything into a small size bowl. I'm going to be amping up the flavor to a whole other level with a few of these dates. If you guys have never tried dates before, they have the most intense caramel candy raisin-like taste. Always be sure to buy them whole with a little pit inside so their flesh will still be nice and plump. The seeded dates tend to be dried out, so de-seed them yourself and slice them into thin strips. They're gonna go right into that bowl with the apples. Lastly, chop up your banana. This nutrient-dense bowl also makes a good morning breakfast too, if you guys have the time when you wake up to prepare it. It's packed with protein from the sprinkled walnuts and the drizzled peanut butter, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied all evening or morning long. Use whichever milk you please and top it with a dash of warm cinnamon. This crunchy peanut butter with the crunchy walnuts is like no other. This fruit and nut cereal bowl has the perfect explosion of flavors, creamy, crunchy textures, and is so nourishing, it'll be hard not to think about it after you try that first bite.